Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again. CNC Electronics repairs and sales. Okay, I just got this one in like what 3 hours ago. Alright, this is the camera up a little bit here. This is the MD5000.1. So this is the 1 ohm version of it. The 1 ohm and the 2 ohm version. This is the 1 ohm, as you can see. So now this coming with a little unit problem. It was in protection mode with chain, but the protection mode it was in, it wasn't like it was the light was on, stays on. It was flashing like on and off, on and off, on and off. So yeah, that's not normally. Sometimes when that happens, it's not out, it's not an output problem. It's always something like some resistor transfer. Most of the time are an IC, which was the issue. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened. So as you could see, I already repaired it. Because I wasn't planning on making any video on this one because it was, yeah, I didn't plan on making any video of it because I didn't have enough time. But since I figured the problem that quick, I said okay, I'm gonna do, because I have a similar problem like this before with one, but it wasn't one of these. It was, I think it was a 8K. Yeah, but the problem, guys, this one, I checked everything was okay from output to the power supply MOSFET, output to power supply MOSFET, everything was okay. Cap, you don't have any swelling cap or nothing like that. This porous area was good and stuff like that. And I check around. I have a little way I test these little driver IC, and they were good. If they were shorting and stuff like that, everything was reading right. The ohms and the resistor, the MOSFET here were good, and everything read to my knowledge. Everything was okay. But I know one time when I have this problem with what, as I told you, it was a AK. You have an IC here, and it says it's 27524, but it's the same as the, let me see, it's the same IC as the, let me see if I remember the number of my IR4427. It's a MOSFET driver. So let me see what it says here. So it's a dual 5 amp high speed low side gate driver. It's a MOSFET driver. IC right here. Yep. So this one sends 5 volts to the circuit. 5 volts down here and stuff like that. Yeah, I think it does. Normally this would be like on the Taramps 3000, it would be right here in the power supply, right here between the power supply MOSFET. But this one, they have it up here. As I say, it's the same as the IR4427C. Yeah, same exact one, but it works just the same. So now I just replace it, because everything was okay from here, and just to see what's gonna happen and things like that. And to my now, everything come up, it pulls up and everything, fine and everything, and plays and stuff like that. We're like, wow, okay. So if you guys ever have a problem like this in the future, or now, if anybody have a problem like this IC here, yeah, just replace it, because just replace. If everything work out fine and you check around and everything is normal, just replace it. You don't have to check with shorting out, it wasn't shorting or anything like that, because you can't exercise it like that. And a lot of you guys must notice by now I don't use like oscilloscope and stuff. I have a lot of little ways I figure out stuff and realize stuff, because I've been doing this for a long time. So there's some ways where when we didn't have this fancy stuff as this oscilloscope, we have to figure out ways of figuring out what's wrong with that circuit. So yeah, so that's why you don't see me using an oscilloscope for now, but in the future I will. because I have one, so I'll let you guys. But for now, yeah, that IC 27.5.24. So it's the same as the IR 4427S. So you know, you guys could just buy both if you know, and just have them in stock, and you know, keep them just in case. But that's it for this video, and you know, everything was okay. It works fine, plays good and everything. So I made some noise with it earlier, so I don't want to make any more noise. Going to disturb my wife again and stuff, because it's night here and stuff. So yep, so everything is okay. But let me see if I pull it up, let you guys see everything. So it's pulling up. You guys hear that fan come up loud, and then you could see the pole light right there. So everything is okay. Not in protection mode anymore, so everything was okay. The funny thing about this one, the guy was at a car show and he called me and said I fixed an amplifier before for him, a Timpano, yeah, 3000, yeah. I fixed one before him before, and he told me he have a 5000.1 Taramps that goes into protect. He said he only played 2 songs at the competition, and it goes into protection mode. So yeah, he called me and he just dropped it off. I told him, yeah, he did want it back. Same time I told him no, he couldn't get, you know, because I was home alone with my kids, so you know, I didn't have enough time to do it for him at the time. But that's it for this video, guys. So if you ever have a problem like that where you check everything, power supply, most of everything is okay, caps, everything is okay, you know, driver IC and stuff, and it doesn't, just remember to change this here. Sometimes it's gonna be 4427S, or it's gonna be 2524, no 20, or it's gonna be 27.5.24. This little IC right here. Let me see if it has just say IC4, IC3. So it says IC4 right here, this one here, and they have one up further up, which is the IC3. So yeah, this one right here beside this 25 volts cap at 10 nanofarad, I think. Yeah, so yeah, this is the one right here, guys. Ever get one of these with the protection light is just flashing, it doesn't stay on continuously, it just flash. Yeah, just, yep, that could be a problem. I'm not saying all the time it's gonna be a problem, you know, because you know electronics goes, you know, a lot of component can cause problem like that, like, you know, resistors, transistors, and diodes, you know, stuff like that. But in this case, it was that driver, mostly driver IC, that was the problem in this case. So you guys, if you have a problem like that, just remember to don't look past that IC. Yep, so that's it for this video.
Hold on.